Hi boys and girls, so this is going to be our last plant video for our unit, and I just wanted to kind of wrap it up and have you see the ending of the plant's life cycle and what happens next. So these are two illustrations that I have. This illustration is what we've been watching, right? We've been watching our plants grow, okay? And we fertilize them and everything else. So if you look at this diagram, you're gonna notice some differences. You'll notice that we still have the flowers, but then you're gonna notice that we have these, and these are actually new pods. So that is where we will get new seeds from to make new plants. And that's how the plant cycle keeps going and going and going. So these are called pods, and these are new pods, okay? So that's what our plant looked like. Growing, we pollinated, the pollination got us the pods. Then if you look at this diagram, this is a diagram of these pods getting older. So this diagram shows the mature pods. And when you break open a pod, so one of these would be a pod, this is what it would look like if it were broken open. And inside the mature pod, you're gonna see that there's more seeds. So then what do you get to do with the seeds? You get to go plant them. So in this plant, if I looked at the pod, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Around 10 seeds, which could potentially become 10 new plants. And that's how they keep reproducing, how we keep getting new plants. So if you look at our plant that we were observing and studying and watching, you'll see that we're at the end of the life cycle. You'll see that, we've taken it off the light, the water, and everything, and that it's not thriving anymore. You're gonna see that we have new pods on the plant that we're starting to develop. So if we had pods, you'll see right there is one that is more mature. I would take that pod off and then I would thresh it, which means that I would roll it around and then I would dissect it and cut it open so that I could get my seeds out of there, and then I would be able to plant my new plants. So if you see there, I have a couple of seeds, okay? If school weren't gonna be over, I would have probably let this pod mature more so that my seeds were a little more dried out and mature, but you get the idea right there. I can now go and plant those seeds to get more Wisconsin fast plants. So that's the life cycle of a plant. You've seen it in videos, you've seen us do it with our Wisconsin fast plants, and that sums it all up. So I hope that you have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed our plant unit. Bye.